In today's automotive landscape, the Chevy Malibu stands as a somewhat unconventional choice. It remains as the sole surviving Chevrolet sedan in the United States at a time when crossovers dominate the market. Furthermore, it retains an internal combustion engine in an era when the industry is rapidly shifting towards electric vehicles. Nevertheless, GM Authority has received information confirming that General Motors intends to keep the Chevy Malibu nameplate alive for at least one more generation. This revelation might come as a surprise to those who have been following GM Authority's previous reports. In 2019, we reported that the current 9th generation Chevy Malibu was scheduled to be discontinued in 2024. Then, in 2020, we reported uncertainty surrounding the future of the Malibu nameplate. However, we have now learned from reliable sources that GM has chosen to extend the life of the Malibu for at least one more iteration. What's even more intriguing is that we have obtained some intriguing insights into GM's plans for the next generation Chevy Malibu. Firstly, the upcoming model will be built on a variant of the GM VSSF platform, specifically the larger DE variant. This differs from the smaller platform variant that underpins models like the Chevy Trailblazer and Chevy Trax, known as the VSSF-BC platform variant. The next-gen Chevy Malibu will be assigned the program code 9DSCL. In this code, 9D denotes the VSSF architecture, S signifies the sedan body style, C represents the Chevy brand, and L indicates the long wheelbase structure. It's worth noting that this architecture could be seen as a new iteration of the GM E2 architecture that currently underpins the existing Chevy Malibu. Looking ahead, production of the next generation Malibu is expected to take place at the GM Fairfax plant in Kansas, the same facility responsible for manufacturing the current model. Production could commence as early as 2025 and continue through the year 2031. However, it's important to acknowledge that this timeline is subject to potential adjustments in the future.